and congratulations. Nindra is already doing so well with such warm
Thank
response.
you.
Shivani, how did the song happen?
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for coming here today, this afternoon, and helping us and helping us support our new song Nindra. Nindra is a beautiful composition. It's a very catchy, dreamy song composed by KB Music and written by Veen Ranjha. मेरा एक सॉन्ग आया था लक शेख कुछ महीने पहले, तो वो काफ़ी हिट हुआ था वो गाना. It's a Punjabi song. So the makers of that song, the people who made that song, I really connected with their music. So I decided to fly to Chandigarh during the second lockdown. You know, Chandigarh was still open and a lot of shoots and recordings were happening there. So I spent a lot of time recording lots of lovely songs. तो उनमें से ये जो पहला गाना निकल के आया है वो है नींद्रा, and I played it to Zee Music Company. They loved it instantly and they said okay we are releasing it. And then of course वीडियो इतना खूबसूरती से बन के आया है. It's beyond my expectations. I'm so happy with the way the video is looking, with the beautiful Kashika Kapoor, who's the heroine in the video. You see her dancing and looking gorgeous, and Abhishek Verma, who's also a very popular television actor, and directed by Aslam Khan. So yeah, it's really a huge teamwork which has come together very beautifully. And today, now that things are coming back to normal, we need the chirpiness and the bubbliness, and we need the positivity. So it's a very bright, peppy, lovely, bubbly, dreamy, catchy love song. So yeah.
Talking about the titles of your songs, they're always peculiar. You know, it has one that lucky charm to it. What do you have to say about that? Like Nindra.
Nindra. Actually, मेरा एक सॉन्ग आया था लास्ट ईयर जोगिया, एंड जोगिया इज अ पंजाबी, दैट वाज माय जर्नी विद पंजाबी म्यूजिक एक्चुअली. So उस गाने के बाद I started getting a lot of offers to sing in Punjabi, and I rediscovered myself as a Punjabi singer, even though I'm a Punjabi. So ये भी गाना is like Hindi Punjabi kind of a thing, and Punjabi, as you know, is a language which is doing very well in the mainstream music circuit now. I mean, Punjabi is really up there, and it comes to me naturally because I'm a Punjabi. So Nindra basically means neen. So that's the meaning of Nindra. Yeah.
Kashika, how was your experience with you looking lovely? Such cute locations, in the entire video. So what was your all experience, and obviously with Shivani playback?
Yeah.
Playback for the song. What do you have to say?
Firstly, thank you so much. I want to thank Aslam sir for believing in me. I want to thank Parul ma'am, and I want to thank Shibani for hosting this for us. So it's been a lovely journey, and I love the entire crew. I think Abhishek has put in his hard work completely. The colors used on set, there were so many bright colors and so much of that positive vibe which has actually been seen now in the video. You can see it.
The yellow car.
The yellow car and everything. I think that whole scene where the whole glasses are off and I make that move, it just felt so good doing it, and it's all been portrayed now. So people are really, really liking it, and they're making a lot of reels, so continue to do that. But I genuinely want to thank Aslam sir and Zee Music Company for believing in me and believing in me being their protagonist for Nindra. So thank you so much.
It's got a very nice pop-up, as you said, the color, and we see you're coordinating with the theme of the song, wearing such a bright color today.
Yeah.
There's always some preparation when it goes, and there's a brief, and this is like a nice breezy number.
Yeah.
So tell us something interesting that happened on the set while shooting the song.
I'd say before the set actually. One day before, I got to know that it has a dance number to it. And I was like, shit, really? I thought it was only acting. And they were like, no, there's a dance hook step. So they called us to train, and we had a good, only I think 30 minutes to train. And that is it. Next day I was shooting for another project, so I was just like, एक दिन भी नहीं मिलने वाला practice के लिए, rehearsals के लिए. So there was no time left. It was only 30 minutes given for the Nindra hook step, which you guys have seen and loved. So yeah, it's come out really good, and Shibani's voice has obviously done the entire magic. She's really killed it, and the entire thing, the way you listen to Nindra, the way the tone changes also, the part of the tone changing is a very difficult thing to do. But she as a singer has done it, and it's really incredible. So thank you so much.
So sweet.
It's come out beautiful, yeah.
No, thank you so much, Kashika. You actually added the glamour and the beauty to the song, and I'm really happy. And it's very youthful. The song is very, very youthful, and I'm loving it. I think all the college
people
kids are going to love it.
Yeah, even parties and even
Clubs,
clubbing events. I think it will really work there.
I think the song has a driving element also. You can listen to it while driving or even while clubbing.
Yeah.
Shivani, we must hear, we see a guitar line right next to you, so we have to hear the song before we move forward.
So I'm going to sing and Kashika will do the step. She tried to teach me the step. I'm trying to learn it because tomorrow we're shooting reels with a lot of creators. So yeah, I will be training with her. She'll be teaching me the step. ख्वाबों में आता है तू, आगे सताता है तू, आता हूँ कैसे हाल में। ख्वाबों में आता है तू, आगे सताता है तू, तुझको बताऊँ कैसे हाल में। की करा दस की करा दिल तेरे बिन लगना नहीं की करा दस की करा दिल तेरे बिन लगना नहीं की करा। नींदरा मेरी नींदरा वे तू सोनिया चुराया मेरी नींदरा। नींदरा मेरी नींदरा वे तू सोनिया चुराया मेरी नींदरा।
Lovely, yeah, that voice.
That was awesome. You sang well.
इससे पहले भी एक दो गाने आए हैं निद्रा के, काफी हिट रहे हैं। निद्रा नहीं आनी पंजाबी गाने हैं।
जी 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 जी।
तो इससे गाना कितना कैची होता है और पार्टी वगैरह में गाते हैं गाना, कितना
जी।
बजता है ये गाना?
नींद्रा में एक अपने आप में एक ना बहुत एक जैसे कहते हैं एक बहुत ही सपनों वाली ड्रीमी फील होती है। तो हमेशा पीपल लाइक टू एस्केप इनटू फैंटेसी। तो जब आप सो जाते हैं तो आप फैंटेसी लैंड में चले जाते हैं, आप ड्रीम करते हैं। तो आपके ख्वाब और ये सब पूरे गाने में जो लफ्ज़ आप सुन रहे हैं, ख्वाबों में आता है तू, मुझको सताता है तू, तुझको बताऊं कैसे हाल में। सो ऑल दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स, ख्वाब, नींद, फैंटेसी लैंड, आई थिंक इट्स समथिंग विच वी ऑल वांट टू एस्केप इनटू। जब हम फिल्में भी देखने जाते हैं थिएटर में तो यू नो वी लाइक टू एस्केप इनटू अनदर वर्ल्ड, ट्रांसपोर्ट इनटू अनदर वर्ल्ड एंड अपनी जो भी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी से थोड़ा सा हम कट ऑफ होके एक दूसरे वर्ल्ड में जाना चाहते हैं। सो दैट्स व्हाट दिस सॉन्ग टेक्स यू इनटू अनदर वर्ल्ड।
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कपूर मैम आपके पास?
It was a beautiful experience. जब हम सेट पे गए, it was really bright and I've loved the set also. It was shot at Edge City. बहुत ही अच्छा set है, बहुत colourful है. We have a lot of things there and there was also this the entire path that we had a couple of stores on the left, on the right. There was a proper director's set given. So it's a beautiful place, a beautiful studio to shoot at. And I've enjoyed shooting for this. We shot for hours and hours. We shot the entire time, but it was all worth it. All of the dancers also with us. It was choreographed by Sushma ma'am, so I really want to thank her. And all of the dancers were amazing. They even helped in the choreography.
Very nice.
So it was really, everything was done last minute. The whole part where Abhishek is moving me, putting me down, and so yeah, there was this part where the choreographer told us that do this, and Abhishek and I were like, no, we'll do it our way. And then Aslam was like, yeah, I love it this way, just stick to it. So we had a lot of chemistry. We
Yeah.
bonded a lot. A lot of people have loved the chemistry. They've
yeah.
been like, y'all should really do more work together. And I also felt that, Abhishek and I have made a good pair. So also we both are Punjabis, so we got that Punjabi vibe.
कितना प्राउड फील करते हैं आपकी शिवानी जी के गाने का आप हिस्सा बने?
I'm really overwhelmed and I'm very happy. शिवानी की आवाज़ में ना इतना जादू है, मैं बोलूँ क्या? She's really, seriously, because her voice, when the colors are moving and when Neendra is happening, it's the voice that's making us move. Without that voice, there would be no Neendra, there would be no hook step. It's all because of Shibani's lovely voice.
Thank you.
And her presence now has made it complete because that little part was remaining. So yeah, I'm really happy.
Thank
एक
you.
के बाद एक गाने आपके आ रहे हैं, पीछे भी कोई लॉन्च हुआ गाना आपका, काफी इतनी एनर्जी कहाँ से आती है आपको?
आई थिंक 2 साल हम लोग सब बैठे रहते घर में कोविड की वजह से, तो उसके बाद एनर्जी इतनी आ गई कि अब हम नॉन स्टॉप काम कर सकते हैं। नाउ वी आर ऑल रेयरिंग टू गो। मतलब आजकल मैं बैक टू बैक शोज कर रही हूँ लिटरली यही फ्लाइंग सॉस है जहाँ पे आज हम बैठे हैं। मेरा परसों यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा परफॉर्मेंस है, तो आप लोग से सब प्लीज़ आइएगा, प्लीज़ कम एंड एंजॉय एंड ग्रूव टू माई सॉन्ग्स एंड टू नींद्रा लाइव एंड अनप्लग्ड फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम। Kashika will also be coming once again to
Yes.
Flying Saucer.
I'll be there.
गुनगुनाएंगे आप गाना थोड़ा बहुत आप? दोनों मिलके?
हाँ ज़रूर ज़रूर।
मैं तो नाचूंगी. खड़े होके नाच लो।
नाचने का अलग से लेंगे आप?
मैं नाचूंगी इनको गा दी।
Yeah. No, you sing along the way you were. ख्वाबों में आता है तू, आके सताता है तू, तुझको बताऊं कैसे हाल में। ख्वाबों में आता है तू, आके सताता है तू, तुझको बताऊं कैसे हाल में। की करा कैसे की करा दिल तेरे बिन लगता नहीं, की करा कैसे की करा दिल तेरे बिन लगता नहीं, की करा। एवरीबॉडी नींदरा मेरी नींदरा वे तू सोने चढ़ाया मेरी नींदरा, नींदरा मेरी नींदरा वे तू सोने चढ़ाया मेरी नींदरा।
वो मैं आपसे जानना चाहेंगे पंजाबी गाने में कितनी मासूमियत छिपी रहती है, मतलब एक अलग रहता है पंजाबी गाने के बाद।
हाँ बिल्कुल। आई फील वो इनोसेंस निकल जाता है, यू नो there's a little bit of innocence to a Punjabi song, so it comes out in a very dignified manner.
तो मैम कितने एक्साइटेड रहती हो आप पब्लिक के रिस्पांस को लेकर, और पब्लिक से मिलने वाले रिस्पांस को लेकर कितना एक्साइटेड हो आप?
एक्चुअली पब्लिक ही तो है जिसकी वजह से मैं आज 20 साल तक आपके सामने अभी तक यही हूँ, और आप मीडिया लोग हैं जो हमको बनाए रखते हैं। सो पब्लिक एंड द मीडिया इज़ मेरे लिए बहुत ही अहम है, बिकॉज उन्हीं का प्यार, उन्हीं का सपोर्ट और उनकी फॉलोइंग की वजह से यू नो वी आर ऑलवेज, हम जितनी मर्जी मार्केटिंग कर लें, ये कर लें, वो कर लें, बट जब तक पब्लिक हमको नहीं प्यार करेगी, हमारे काम को, मेरी म्यूज़िक को प्यार नहीं करेगी, तो हम कहीं नहीं है। सो पब्लिक इज़ ऑलवेज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड आई ऑलवेज लाइक टू, दैट्स व्हाई आई लव टू डू माई लाइव शोज़, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि लाइव शोज़ आर बैक नाउ। सो लाइव शोज़ में पब्लिक के साथ एकदम
इंटरेक्शन हो जाती है,
इंस्टेंट इंटरेक्शन होता है, और उनसे एक इंस्टेंट फीडबैक भी मिल जाता है, यू नो।
थैंक यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
चलो जी।
एक